Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without chocolate chips. Don't worry if your pantry is missing those classic morsels. There are many delicious alternatives. We'll explore common substitutes like dried fruits and nuts that can transform your cookies. Get ready to bake something wonderful, even without the usual chocolate. Let's dive into some creative solutions for your next batch of cookies. When substituting, think about the flavor and texture you want to achieve. Dried cranberries offer a tart sweetness, while chopped dates provide a caramel-like chewiness. For a nutty crunch, walnuts or pecans are excellent choices. You can also add spices like a half teaspoon of cinnamon or a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg to enhance the overall warmth and aroma of your cookies. Experiment to find your perfect combination. Proper preparation ensures your cookies turn out perfectly. If using larger items like dried apricots or whole nuts, chop them into pieces roughly the size of a chocolate chip for even distribution. Gently fold your chosen substitutes into the dough to avoid overmixing. Keep an eye on your baking time. Some additions might release more moisture, potentially affecting how quickly your cookies brown. A good starting point is to bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Don't be afraid to get creative with your combinations. A mix of dried cranberries and white chocolate chunks offers a delightful sweet and tart contrast. Or try chopped pistachios with a touch of cardamom for an exotic twist. The possibilities are truly endless, allowing you to personalize every batch. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Happy baking, and enjoy your unique, delicious cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.